I'm going to say this again. Exchanges are like public restrooms. Get in there, do your business, get out. Cold wallet, institutional custody. Somebody said the other day, a hot wallet. I wouldn't even do a hot wallet. You've had both Exodus and Atomic Wallet hacked, and people have lost millions of dollars of crypto in those hacks. I would highly recommend a cold wallet. If you want a recommendation, we like Decent. I don't have anything personally against Ledger, but we have clients that have had a lot of problems with that product. I think other things could be better for people. Tangent, great. Other people use Trezor. You got EliPal, you got Arculus. There's other stuff that's air gapped. Take your flavor. I would use, another laptop that's turned off and not connected to the internet to access your stuff when you're doing it, just as a best practice also. And I would use a separate email address from your traditional email address or your Gmail account. And I would have multi-factor authentication on all the exchanges and your wallets if you can. Just some best practices. And then if you do have the keys and you've written them down on paper, I would store those in 3 or 4 different places just in case a house burns down or something happens. Make sure your spouse knows where at least one of those is. But you don't have to do any of that if you have an institutional custody. You can just work with Digital Wealth Partners, hold it there, Schwab account for your digital assets, trusted counterparty. We're an SEC registered RIA. If we rug anybody, we're all going to jail. We're domestic. We're here in the U.S. We're registered in the U.S. Most compliant, highest standard you could possibly be for a fiduciary in this asset class.